the importance of onboarding new people with some kind of structure. So what do you recommend?
Well, you know, when you're in a big corporate, you've got an HR department who's got this whole thing in place. It's more challenging for small to medium companies where they don't have a lot of people who are able to be dedicated to the process for the first few days or the first week or the first month. In some companies, you are lucky, you come in and possibly you've got a program, maybe a 3-month program or something like that already in place. So for small to medium companies, when we talk about having something structured, that's really where we're talking. We assume that bigger companies have that in place. So the first thing is, what do you want people to know? And I think one of the important things is to ask people who've been there a few months, what didn't they know? What weren't they told? What is important? We've talked about different things that we want our guys to know. So it's often fine from the top down, but is it as good from the sort of staff level? And so the questions are important. The communication's important. Discussing what works and what doesn't work. And also, one of the things we introduced into Access, which I think is quite important, is almost that mini exit interview as part of your process right from the beginning. So that you know what people are and aren't happy about, and introduce that into your onboarding and induction processes.
So I think even though one has a process, one should then keep checking whether it's relevant and what needs to be added in.
It's dynamic.
We'll have to do that.
Yes, we will. Things do keep changing.